We have the honor to be the first supercritical power plant of Pakistan. For the emissions, we have installed the world best environment protection technologies. So for the particulate matter removal, we have installed electrostatic precipitation system. To control the NOx, we have low NOx burners. And for the removal of SOx, we have flue gas desulfurization system. So by installation of the world's best environment protection technologies, we are controlling our emissions way below the national and the international standards. Like our values are not only within the standards, in fact we have minimized our emissions. In fact, these all are the fake allegations and the rumors going on in the vicinity. In fact, we have installed the decentralized wastewater treatment system. For every type of wastewater, we have separate wastewater treatment unit. Like the waste from the boiler is treated in a separate treatment unit. The waste from the oily wastewater is treated separately. The coaly wastewater is treated separately.